Hey guys, here's some key things to consider when planning your shower build. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a basement shower we just finished, and I want to show you some key details about this when planning for your shower. So access right off the get-go, what kind of door system will you use? Here, because we have a little bit of a tight space, we went with a sliding door system, went with a barn door hardware on that. Nice, clean look, and also provides the biggest opening into the space without impeding your access with the swing. So this particular shower, we've done a larger format tile on the walls. It results in a smaller amount of grout lines to worry about cleaning and maintaining. Also gives it a nice modern finish. We get asked to put niches in almost all the showers that we do, and here we have a linear niche. And the great thing about the linear niche is that it provides a ton of storage, also creates a really nice focal point and design detail within the shower build itself. Don't forget to make sure you have slope on the bottom sill of your niche so it can drain, otherwise that will drive you crazy. Thing to consider also is lighting. So we've got this pot light in here lighting the shower, and I'll give you a really good visual aid here to see how beneficial it can be. Check out the shower now, dimly lit. For the $100 or so it costs to add a light, it's really a game changer in the space, makes it a lot easier for use, and really helps present it quite well. Another thing to consider is your shower head location. You need to plan that out well in advance to make sure you have the right clearance. Here we have a nice rain shower head. It's got a bit of a drop on it, so you need to plan that in advance because that all gets roughed in before drywall, so make sure you have it set to the correct height, because nothing's worse than stepping in your shower later and realizing my head hits the shower head. Arg, tile has to come off to change that. Another feature here is we have a handheld, and the handheld is great as far as whether you're bathing or cleaning. It's a really handy feature, but consider its location in advance because you need to put some backing in there to be able to attach it. Otherwise, it's going to be attached just to the tile, which is risky. Also think about its location in regards to your entrance. Maybe you're right-handed and think, oh, I want it on the right-hand side. In this case, that would actually impede access into the shower. And also you'd have a bigger likelihood of there being splashing on outside of the shower from that location. So lots to think about in a shower. They're complex little spaces, but as you can see, when done right, they're a fantastic space and can really be that crown jewel of your bathroom. If you have any questions about design, you can enter them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations. Have a great day.